Guys, itutour ko na lang kayo dito sa BSU. Pero mag-start na tayo sa ano guys ha, third gate ba? Mahaba-haba ito ha. Bahala na kayo kung manonood kayo. Ang mga mag-aaral dito guys, panoorin ng mabuti. Sorry. Ito yung library. May shortcut dito guys, going to the library. At ito naman si Jamie. Yan si Camille. And the panahon right now is not so good. And later it's going to rain. And you know, if you know, you know. Nonchalant. This is our main library, guys.